So another Thursday tip, we're going to talk about how repairs being called out on appraisal is a problem for some lenders, but it's not for us. We're going to talk about what they call an escrow holdback. So what that is let's say there's some roof repairs that need to be done. Let's say it's like $3,000 worth of work, okay? We get a licensed contractor to go out and do a quote. They say, yeah, it's going to cost $3,000, sir or ma'am, to fix this and get it done. We collect that invoice from the contractor stating how much it is. Now, the seller or the buyer can pay for this. Either way, the seller can give a credit at closing. And what we do is we collect those funds to do the repairs at closing from the buyer or the seller, whoever wants to pay it. We close and record the transaction without having the subject to issue on the appraisal cleared up yet. Then, usually within a 2-week period is what we require. We get the contractor to go out and do the work, and then we hold the check for that money that was collected at closing for those repairs, and we give it to the contractor once we have a final inspection that the work has been done. The contractor isn't given the money up front. It protects your client to make sure the work is actually getting done, and the lender as well. Okay, that is a workaround that we have. Now, if there's repairs being done to the property that are not called out by the appraiser, us as a lender, we don't care about those, okay? But the smart thing is, do not put in the contract that the seller is giving a credit in lieu of repairs or the seller is going to pay for these repairs. Keep it in the benzer if you can, okay? Because if nothing is called out on the appraisal, we don't care about it as a lender typically, right? Unless it's something catastrophic that you need to tell us. Now, if it's just little ticky-tack repairs or anything like that, keep it in the benzer, have it paid on the seller side of the settlement statement, and it has nothing to do with our buyer on that end of it, and we can close no problem. So that's another workaround we have without having to do the escrow holdback as well. There's your tip for Thursday.